at Wright State University. I'm consumer investigative reporter Xavier Hershevitz for News Center 7.
And tomorrow we welcome back kindergartners at Green and local schools. Be sure to watch our back-to-school coverage tomorrow morning on News Center 7's Daybreak. They're at it early every weekday morning starting at 4:25.
And now your Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist Austin Chaney.
Austin, we lived in different parts of the country. I've lived in Alaska, never felt heat and humidity like this. Lived in South Georgia. Never have I remember feeling the humidity and the heat index like what we're feeling it here.
Well, and you've been here for what, 25 years?
Close.
Yes,
Yeah.
Have you ever seen just
You don't have to finish the
points? I mean,
absolutely not.
It is pretty wild out there, and I didn't think it could feel worse after the sun went down, but it does. And I just got to show you the dew point map again tonight because this is the main story tonight. All right, so look at our legend over here. When we get dew point temperatures above 70 degrees, we normally say it's miserable outside. You go up to 80, it's like a whole different level. We are talking full-on swamp weather out there this evening. Look up there in Bell Fountain, Greenville, dew points of 81 degrees, 79 there in Sydney, 77 here in Dayton. This is some incredibly uncomfortable air. When you have air like this, like Kayla was telling you about earlier in her story, you got to run the AC all night long. If you don't have AC, it's a very stressful and uncomfortable night out there with temperatures that just don't want to cool off. So right now in Dayton, we're at 83 degrees, 79 Urbana, 81 Salina. I don't think we're going to get much below 77 degrees by the time we wake up tomorrow. And then again, we get into the day tomorrow. And all that humidity is just going to lead to one more very uncomfortable day. Now, kind of like last night, we're tracking a chance for storms. So here's live Doppler 7 radar. It's dry at home. Let's go up into northern Ohio, and the Storm Prediction Center has put out a severe thunderstorm watch for this cluster of storms. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings there in the Toledo area, even one tornado warning. The difference with this tonight is it is not moving towards the Miami Valley. Last time we were watching these build in from Cleveland from the east. Tonight, they're diving to the southeast. There's the chance that on the tail end of this line, we can get something to fire up and perhaps clip Auglaize County or Logan County. But I still don't expect a repeat of the rounds and rounds of heavy rain that we saw last night. So let's break it down for you on FutureCast. We go through the next few hours, and you see that main cluster of storms up there near Lake Erie and Toledo. It dives towards Cleveland. And folks out there in the Columbus area even have a better chance than what we have. Don't want to totally rule out our chance, mainly by, say, 2, 3, 4 in the morning. But after that, I think that cluster of storms has died out. We get into the day tomorrow. Should be a mainly dry day, perhaps a slight chance of a thunderstorm developing during the afternoon. It's mainly about the heat. So out the door tomorrow morning, it is a swampy start to the day. Again, 77 degrees for a morning low temperature here in Dayton. You want the ice water and the sunscreen. We get to tomorrow afternoon. Heat index values again climbing to the upper 90s, perhaps triple digits in a few areas. After one more day of this, it's better. Saturday, 84 degrees. Sunday, 79. In the 7-day forecast, I don't have any additional 90s after tomorrow. Here's that 7-day stray storm possible during the daytime hours tomorrow. High of 90. Weekend, we're in pretty good shape. 83 for Monday. We will track the next chance of just a few showers by the time we get to Tuesday.
Thank you, Austin. This heat and humidity can be dangerous and get dangerous fast for athletes. We talked with an athletic trainer about the heat exhaustion symptoms.